The Tofino Food and Wine Festival is set to celebrate a decade of showcasing the flavors of our West Coast. This weekend's 10th annual event is boasting its biggest lineup ever. And the main event, though, is still Saturday's Grazing in the Gardens.
They're going to discover little pocket gardens within the big garden, and in each little pocket garden they're going to find all kinds of samples of BC wine, and we have the local chefs participating with all kinds of outstanding canapes.
The event is staged in the Tofino Botanical Gardens, which will feature 35 tables of wine, cider, and microbrewers, along with 25 island eateries and food producers. This outdoor celebration is one of 12 events held over 4 days. There will also be winemaker dinners at all the major restaurants and resorts in the area.
They're not just showcasing what they have to offer as their business, but they definitely are showcasing what the community of Tofino and Nucluit have to offer as far as the food scene. And then you have this other community of people who share a similar interest, and that is good quality food and wine.
Tofino Food and Wine Festival, sponsored by CTV News. It all begins this Thursday, runs through Sunday at various locations, and you can find a full list of events at tofinofoodandwinefestival.com.